Welcome to the Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. In today's really fast video, I'm going to show you how to make a white chocolate sphere using a little stainless steel semi-sphere mold. Once you have your chocolate melted, you can grab a little paintbrush, and then I'm just going to start painting the inside of my stainless steel little mold. And you can get these molds in a lot of places online. You can try Amazon, and they work very well. So we're just going to start painting the chocolate in here. You want to get a good coating. Make sure you get all of the spots that look a little bit thin. And that looks good for my first coat. So now I'm just going to pop this into the fridge for about 3 to 4 minutes just to make this process a little bit faster. So that's going to chill down our chocolate. Then I'll come back and we'll do a second coat. So that was 4 minutes in the fridge. The white chocolate has set up. It's nice and firm. And now we can start building on the existing shell that we've started. So now that second layer is going to start filling in all of the little areas that were a little bit thinner on the first coat. So you're just going to go around and just get all of your nice white chocolate all over. So look at it as you're going. So you'll see the areas that aren't as thick, and just make sure that you go over those areas. I think that looks good, so I'm going to do again. I'm going to pop this in about another 4 minutes. I'll set my timer for that. I'll pop it in, come back again. And now I just want to go around. I'm just going to look, you can already see it moving. I just want to make sure that it's nice and smooth. You can see the white chocolate is already moving. I'll just take my hand like this, just give it a little twirl, and there we have it. Look at that. Really nice. At this point, I have completed my second semi-sphere. I have a hot fry pan here. I'm just going to grab both pieces. A little bit here just to heat up the white chocolate again, and then just simply stick them together. Make sure it looks pretty good, and that looks pretty good, and then just put it on here and just let it set up. There we have it, a really easy white chocolate sphere. So that's it for today's really fast video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're on Facebook, you can check me out, facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. That's it for today, and I'll see you next time. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.